As you know, we are here every Saturday and Sunday to talk about current events. Hello everyone and welcome to our weekly news where we talk about our Electroatom project, new achievements, our partnerships, and also the agreements that have been signed throughout this week. Stay tuned this week. Now let's head to Côte d'Ivoire to talk about the conference that will be held in Abidjan at the Blanche Hôtel on November 29th starting at 2 p.m. with our representative Moussa Koné, who is the Africa Director, along with his team who will be present. Barbara will also be there, along with others who will be supporting this project. So hurry up for those of you in Côte d'Ivoire who are interested in the Electroatom project. Come to this conference to get more updates and information about innovation in Africa and around the world. Now let's talk about the power plant that has completed its final phase. We will now move on to trials and testing. Stay tuned, follow the videos that will be posted on YouTube to get a look at the power plant that has completed its installation phase. We are very pleased with the work accomplished by our director, as well as the entire Electroatom team, who made it possible for this power plant to be installed and also set up so that people can follow along and see more details. Follow our videos. The official website of Victor Tunov has been launched, implemented and posted, created to allow people to access all the information about the process that will enable this great man to win the Nobel Prize. To this end, anyone who wishes to learn more about this technology, more about his personality, his story, his background, his experiences, his achievements, and what he has accomplished up to now, you can visit the website, which will soon be known to everyone, and you will be able to find all the information there. I would like to remind you that thanks to this innovation, the Nobel Prize will be awarded to him. Now let's talk about the race for partners. We have already made great progress. We have new people who have joined the team who will be forming teams, but it doesn't stop there. We need to multiply our chances of buying packages, so buy as many packages as possible in order to be among the winners. But I would also like to remind everyone that we have a car that will be given as a gift, as a bonus to the person who wins. So this is a unique Shanghai for everyone who has taken part in this race for partners. Increase your chances, keep buying packages, and who knows, you could be the lucky winner. Now, we will talk about installment payments for everyone who is behind on their investment package payments. Hurry up and take care of it. It is very important to enable the company to have funds, to have financing in order to develop the project, to acquire patents, to acquire licenses. If you have a late payment, please take care of it right now to make things easier for us. Thank you for following us. We'll see you next week to talk more about current events. It was a pleasure for me to be able to share this message with you. If you have any comments or if you have questions or concerns, don't hesitate to leave them on YouTube and also ask your questions. If you have any concerns, we are here to answer you. Goodbye.